Hey, welcome back to Just 1 Minute Solution. Don't forget subs and like today. I will show how to add Audi RS 3 in your maps. First of all, you will need to have the Content Manager installed. All the download links will be in my video description. So go ahead to the first link and install the Content Manager. First go to Assetto-Corsa-mods.io. Now go to search and choose cars and tap Audi RS. Click search. Choose your cars. What do you want? Go down, you have download. Go to another tab, click another one to download. Now just wait you 1 minute for finished download. Open file and go to Steam. Go to Library and Assetto Corsa. Click right, choose Browse, Local Files. Now go to Content Manager and choose your cars. Audi RS 3 in your maps. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to leave a like. Now you're ready to mod and race? Like, share, and follow for more tips.
35, came with 3 shots. It's little perp, bless your trap. If I'm picking in a trap, yo.